Dolphins of Fagasa. Yeah, and we're gonna start our story now. Once upon a time, once upon a time, there was a king, Liava'a, king of Fiji, with his daughter Sina, and they were taking a trip, and they landed at Fagasa. So the king stopped the boat, and he asked Sina something. Go fill up the waters for mix the kava. And then as time goes on, Sina stopped by because she seen what was the name of the stuff? Deer. Yeah. And then she stopped out there and then she picked the stuff. So the king finally was wondering, and then he asked one of his shipmen. The king asked the soldier, "Oh, did my daughter come back yet?" And he said she was sleeping, but he had no reason. And then the ship sailed again. Let's go. As time goes on, past, the waves, beautiful, and then the king was wondering, why isn't she not up yet? So he asked a question. Is my daughter up? And then one of the soldiers said, "I'm sorry, king, she's not there." And then the king, finally, what are you gonna do, king? Get out of her boat! Get in the water! And then the king kicked them in the water. And then they all said, "Hey, boys, come over here in the water." And then they all said, at only one time, "What shall we do, king?" And then the king replied, "Turn into Dolphin every year. You gotta go visit my daughter at Fagasa." But the king still gotta go back to Fiji. So the king, sail guys, sail. And then they turn into dolphins. And then every year they go visit the daughter back in Fagasa. The beautiful daughter. And then every year she would sit there and watch, the ocean, wondering if her father would come back. But he doesn't care. I mean, he won't come back yet. Maybe later, a couple of years. But then she ended up getting married with another guy. I mean, with a new guy. Sorry, our story is kind of wrong. And then years pass. Then, hey, the sail gotta go back that way. Everybody got to turn around. And then the king sailed back to Fagasa. And then the king went up to the daughter